Hi, Rochelle with Lady Fermenter. Today we're going to be recalibrating our canner because our last batch of cans looks like this. Welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So we've got this situation going on. Cameraman usually is the filler and I'm the seamer, so I thought I was doing something wrong, but turns out our canner is just in need of being calibrated. Here we go. All right, so this is an Oktober homebrew canner. I think it's a SL1 or something they call it.
You will need a teardown tool, calipers, nippers or wire cutters to do the seam inspections. You will also need an appropriately sized wrench and Allen wrench if you need to make any adjustments to this canner.
So we just need to do operation number 1, which is to the right. Then we need to measure the seam.
Ooh. 81. 82.5. So it's too big. It needs to be 74 to 78.
Okay, so it's too large. Now it goes back into the canner and we complete operation number 2, which is taking the handle.
You were supposed to be between 46 and 48.
Okay. So it's the
49.
Okay, so it's still too big.
49. 51. 49. So yeah, it's
too big.
It's too big.
All right. Now, you need to take the cap, you need to take the lid off with that, what is that tool called?
Teardown tool.
Teardown tool. Okay. All right, now you need to remove that band that's around
Honestly,
the can.
we really like this canner. It's sturdy. The company is located in Michigan, which is part of the United States. We originally saw it at a former club member who now turned professional brewery, and so I had a chance to talk to him about it, and he really liked it. Then we started seeing it other places, so we purchased the homebrew version. I personally like how responsive the company is, and I also really like the fact that we can do 8 ounce, 12 ounce, 16 ounce. We can even do the skinny cans just by buying the different adapters.
What's this edge called?
The body hook.
Body hook.
Should be between 53 and 65, it says.
53 and 65. Okay. So you're measuring the height of that body hook.
53. 61.
53 and 55 was our goal.
53 and 65.
Okay, so we're good so far.
49. Oops, I don't think I did that right.
Yeah, it's
53.
okay, so that's good.
So that's okay.
It's just that first set of measurements that are bad.
And now this between 55 and 75. I think that's 100th or maybe I'm not sure anymore.
55 and 75. Does it say on the caliper?
Yeah, if I can see it. 55. 55.
Okay, let me just show really quick where to measure. Okay.
60. So
that's
so
good.
that's okay. We need to adjust.
Filling part.
Yeah. So we adjusted this screw here. That's the first. You turn the locking nut, and then you turn it counterclockwise for twice for every thousandth or whatever that is of an inch. So I turned it 3 times because we were quite a ways off. Here we go. We need to be between 74 and 78, so we hit 77 there. 74 there. 75, so we're good.
Good job.
So I'm gonna do the next one to see how far off we are, and then tighten it up. Next function. Between 46 and 48.
46 and 48.
49 there. 48 there. 61. That's weird. 47. 49. 48. I think it's gonna give it just a touch.
Just a little bit, yeah.
Just a wee bit.
Because it doesn't. Liquid's funny that way. It knows how to. It's gonna take the. It's gonna find and take the path of least resistance, and it's gonna sneak out.
Just give it like a quarter turn.
Okay. So you're holding the nut and then using the Allen wrench to make the adjustment.
All right.
Okay. $46 and $48.
49. 49. 48. I'll give it a little bit more.
Okay.
Forty-eight point 48, 47, 48, 48. I think we're good to go.
Okay. Excellent.
It really helps our channel when you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks a pint for watching.